In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect iPhone with built-in Android panel assembled in Toyota Grande. First of all, turn on hotspot of your iPhone. Then connect Android panel's Wi-Fi with iPhone. Then click on apps on Android panel, then click e-link. Next screen shows three options: Android USB, Android Wi-Fi and iPhone Wi-Fi. Click on iPhone Wi-Fi. On the next screen, it's showing that turn on AirPlay and select EC Mirror / GQ. Now, slide down iPhone's screen and click on screen mirroring icon. On next screen of iPhone, there are options showing, but select the same as shown on Android panel of Toyota Grande. It will connect automatically and iPhone screen will appear on Android panel. If it doesn't connect, restart iPhone. Then repeat the process. This time it will be successful. If you want to connect Netflix from iPhone to Android panel of Toyota Grande, its display will not support. Netflix screen recording not possible.